everyone. Hope you're having a great Valentine's Day wherever you are. Today, we're gonna be making do-it-yourself mini ears. We're gonna be decorating our mini ears today using our pretty flowers and using our hot glue gun and our scissors. If you are a kid and you are watching this, ask your parents before you start using hot glue guns or scissors. You wouldn't want to burn yourself or cut yourself.
Or wire cutters.
Oh, yeah, we do also have wire cutter to cut the flowers off, which we also did off camera. All right, Emma. So we went to the dollar store and we actually picked all this stuff up for probably about 25 Canadian dollars. We picked up so much stuff that we probably have more materials for like more mini ears, but we're just gonna do 2 today. We have like roses and baby's breath and all types of different stuff. So let's get started. All right, Emma.
Okay, and if you celebrate Chinese New Year, Happy Lunar New Year, or...
Yes, Happy Lunar New Year. It's the year of the ox. Now, do you know what people are like when they're born in the year of the ox?
What are they like?
Well, they're very hardworking and successful people.
I know who that is.
Who?
Our family.
Aww. So I'm starting with making kind of a little bow, and I want to kind of layer them. So I'm using these leaves to layer our bow.
And I'm using ferns right now.
Ooh, that's so pretty. That reminds me of like a tropical vacation.
Yeah, that's what my theme is.
So I'm gonna...
Could you help me with the wire cutters, because I don't think the scissors will cut this.
Oh, no problem. Good job asking. So we'll let that dry, and I'm gonna help Emma. How short do you want it?
I wanted to cut it
right here.
So I have half of it.
Yeah, we're gonna need the wire cutter.
Yes, it's a little bit hard.
So let's do that.
And you can also see I'm wearing my red Disney ears. Now these are for Christmas, these. Actually no, these were for Valentine's Day. My dad got these for me. And you.
Also, before we dive in, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. That way you never miss on any of our kind of fun activities. And I'm looking at Gigi in the background. She's so cute.
I know.
We'll show Gigi after before we're done.
Yeah.
So I have this so far for my ears.
Ooh,
I'm gonna start on my bow. And I think I'm gonna take these 2 pink roses and I'm gonna stick them right in the middle. Now, forewarning, we do not make Disney ears for a living. I know there's a lot of awesome people that do this on Etsy and all types of stuff like Instagram. I'm not one of these people, and I'm not usually the greatest at crafts. So bear with me if the finished product isn't great.
Yeah, I'm 7 and almost 8 because my birthday's in a month.
So what are you gonna do in yours, Emma?
I'm thinking of wrapping the fern like that.
So when you're doing this, the way that we did it was we bought some hair bands from the dollar store and then some wire, and we used like a really big mug at the bottom of it to wrap the wire to make that kind of round mini ear shape. And then we hot glued them onto the headband. You can probably see from the back here. Now it doesn't have to be pretty because you're going to be covering that up with flowers anyway, so don't worry if there's like a ton of glue. So I think what I might do too is I might use, oh my god, there's this hot glue string. I might use some of the yellow flowers as well to kind of go around my mini ears. Just gotta make sure I leave some for Emma.
Oh, and I'm cutting off the ferns so I could like sprinkle it and put it like that.
Oh, so Emma's using the technique of placing your stuff before you glue it on, which is really smart because once you kind of glue it on, it's on there. I'm kind of a just go with it type of person, so I'm just going ham.
Yours looks really pretty.
Oh, thank you. What I'm thinking of doing too is maybe wrapping some of the baby's breath around, but I don't know how to do it without it looking a little funny, so we might not, but this is the start of mine so far. Do you want help?
I'm still just
Deciding?
Yeah.
Are you gonna glue all those on separate?
I was thinking about bunching them up.
Well, if you want to take up a lot of room, you could put like big daisies like this with your blue flowers.
Yeah. Okay, I think I like that.
Okay, so how about you lay it on there first and then I'll help you glue it, okay? And I have a rose for you.
How did you make the bow?
I used the leaves. So you can do that too if you want.
Yeah.
You just need one more big leaf. I think I might add a little bit more baby's breath. I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna add some daisies.
Add 2 big leaves. Could you help me glue the big leaves on my thing?
I sure can. Let me just add my daisies on here. The baby is looking at us like, what on earth? So you want the same kind of bow?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing we did for mine to Emma's. So we're gonna take these 2 big leaves out like this, and these little leaves out like this. And then she's gonna pick her own flower to put in the middle. And she has lots to choose from. There's these really pretty big ones, all types of stuff. So.
And I think I'm gonna sprinkle some of the ferns on top of the leaves.
So we're gonna do this.
Dun, 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 dun.
We're gonna glue that on. Whenever you burn yourself, you wanna run it under cold water for like at least 5 minutes. My fingers still hurt, but I'm a trooper, so I'm gonna carry on.
So you put the pink ones in the middle.
Yeah. What color did you want to put in the middle, Emma?
I'm still thinking.
And you wanted to add some ferns, right?
Yeah, I just cut up some ferns. It looks like aloe plant.
It does. Do you want to put them behind like this? They're super big.
Yeah, it's just that I cut off this one's enough.
Oh, I have more.
Oh, I have more too because you gave me some before this video started.
So we're gonna turn it over here and just attach this way.
Ooh.
So that way we get the glue on. No, it's not the prettiest, don't worry about it. This is our first time doing it.
Yeah.
I wish I was like super professional like the Etsy ladies and gentlemen that make these, but I am a beginner. Okay, this needs to be attached a little more.
Would that look pretty? The flower on top of the fern?
I don't know if it would stick because it might be a bit too heavy. Okay, so this is what mine looks like so far. I want to add some blue flowers maybe to the top or like around it.
I think I remember those blue flowers. I think they're hydrangea. If I'm
Oh yeah, you are right. They are hydrangeas. Now I want to see what other flowers we have. These remind me of like the lilies from Princess and the Frog with Tiana.
Yeah, that looks pretty.
On her dress, except those ones are white. These ones are pink, but they're still like super pretty. So we're gonna add some of those too. This is what it looks like so far. What do you think?
Okay, I love it.
Oh, thank you. So what did you want to add in the middle?
I was going to...
You have these really pretty flowers here. This is like super Hawaiian looking. It looks like something you buy from the Lanai in Hawaii.
What's a lanai?
A lanai? That is Disney's Hawaiian resort. Oh, I think I should put these here. Look how pretty that is.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that? Okay.
We have so many extras.
Okay. Add this guy on. Okay, so we got one of Emma's flowers on. We're gonna attach the other. And then we'll do the pink in the middle because that will look super nice. Just put the glue all around the middle of your flower and then gently place it, but with some pressure. And that's Emma's so far. Look how nice that looks. And we didn't go with the traditional, like I know a lot of the time with wires, people do the silver. Not by choice, they didn't have any at the dollar store. So we are going with blue and green. We don't worry about this part because you're not gonna see that's gonna be in your hair. You can add it to like, yeah, I thought that was a great idea too, up here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm thinking about putting something on top of the ferns up here.
You don't want to cover it all up because it's super pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and if you want to see us do more craft videos, just drop us a comment. Let us know what you think.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, Emma, look how pretty. Now, I'm going to go back to mine. I don't know what I want to add. Emma has some really nice flowers in here I might steal. Oh, I wanted to wrap in baby's breath. All right, so we're gonna try something here. Kind of want to start here and wrap this around. So I'm gonna wrap it like that, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of glue and try not to burn my hands for the 5th time. So I'm gonna glue it right behind here, just a little bit of glue. And then I might actually add some flowers to the back too to cover it up. I haven't decided. I'm gonna wrap it like that, and then I'm just gonna secure it with a little bit of glue, and then I'm gonna finish the wrapping.
Be careful.
Emma, what's your favorite part about Disney World?
My favorite part is actually going on the rides, and I have a couple favorite parts. I like trying like all the foods in different countries, and I do like the gift shops too.
Yeah, I know you like to shop. My wallet knows that too. My favorite part definitely has to be the shopping and the food.
Mm-hmm.
So we got the first one kind of wrapped, and then we're gonna do the second one to finish it. So we're gonna take some more here. our little glue and just wrap it around. Pretty happy with how this is coming out thus far. But here we go. I wrapped some baby's breath around the ears. And then Emma wanted me to do something to hers.
I'm thinking about doing something with these.
Okay, well, maybe we can add a couple in here, like little antennas.
Ooh, cute.
Okay, so we need a couple short ones.
Don't worry, I saved it.
Like that.
Ooh, that's pretty.
So I think I'm done mine at least. So this is what I did. I did a really springy Easter kind of view, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna try mine on now, just for the fun of it.
They look cute.
Oh, these are super cute.
I know an idea for mine.
Okay.
To finish mine off, I think I'm gonna use these ones to cover up like that.
Oh, you want to cover up the actual the ear?
Yeah. Use like these Tiana flowers.
The Tiana flowers. I like that's what we gave them now. How about we do this? So look, we do a blue, pink, blue.
Yeah, that's pretty.
This is actually pretty easy. I think I would do this again.
Yeah.
What I might do next time is get like some LED lights
Oh,
and maybe cut
yeah.
shapes out and like glitter them and do like a castle or something. Not that that's my idea. I've seen it on Instagram. I'm not gonna lie.
Maybe next time we could make like Cinderella's glass slipper of LED lights.
Oh, you want to make Cinderella's glass slipper LED lights?
Yes.
Girl. Here's Emma's ears. So they're super duper cute. It's still drying and we still got some string attached, but that will be taken off. These are my ears. So again, very, very springy. I almost want to call them like Easter ears.
Or spring blossom ears. Okay guys, I'm gonna try on my ears.
Very cute, they're huge. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in with us and doing this craft. Again, give us a big like and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Anything else you want to say, Emma?
What Disney craft do you want us to do?
Yeah, what Disney craft do you want us to do? I have a couple ideas floating. I was even thinking about doing Winnie the Pooh pots just because we're going to be redoing Gabriella's room soon. And yeah, let us know. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a magical day.
Bye!